Hey guys, so I just saw this like a picture between the V3 and V4 if you're thinking about buying the Miyoo Mini. So this was like a Reddit post from the Brick Hat and I really liked it, so I just wanted to share it with you. So first thing, the D-pad, there is no change from V2 and V3. Then the screen, this is the important thing, the screen is better. So you can see right here in 640 to 480 OCA laminated, but here you can have 750 to 560. So this is another thing, and better viewing angle. So this is the first thing, and then the battery is the same, then battery design also, and now the charging supports USB-C power delivery, that's good, and BV to 2A, so that's great. And I just want to make this like a quick video for you about the changes between the V4 and V3. So yeah. And this is like really thing that you can have 2000, and here it was like 3000 for AliExpress, so I don't really get it, to be honest. This is plus, this is not plus. So for the just mini, the battery is the same for the 2000. Just want to make this quick video for you, like what are the actual differences. So have a great day and goodbye.